If I told you I could give you life, would you leave the boundaries of your mind?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I know it has been a while since I filmed, but I've had so many issues with my filming equipment and also just trying to find time to make sure I was able to film. But I finally have time today. I'm finally free and available, so I'm so excited to be filming this video for you guys. I have this kind of just really random, I was just playing around with different colors and looks that I had, and I came up with this, and this is honestly one of the best looks I've ever done, one of my favorite eyeshadow looks I've ever done for you guys or just in general. I love it. I love the way it looks with my hair. I love the colors. I think it's just so pretty and sexy and beautiful, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it, that you guys recreate it. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe down below. Let me know. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay, so to start off with our cut crease, we're going to be going in with the shade BFF. I chose this shade because I just knew it was going to be the perfect vibrant shade to start off the look. We're going to really be packing this on the lid and the crease. Mainly the crease, we want to concentrate on that area, and we're letting it come up higher than we would if we were doing another type of look. We want to make sure that this is super noticeable and vibrant. And as you guys can see, I am also letting it smoke out a little bit towards the edges where I would have a wing, just in order to kind of create a nice shape. So these shadows were really impressive. I loved them, and I feel like they blended so beautifully. So if you do have this palette, you'll be impressed with that. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Belle, and I'm just going to be blending out those edges, and then I'm picking up the shade Nikki, which is right next to it in the palette, and I'm going to just continuously blend. I want to make sure everything looks very gradient, very flawless. I don't want there to be any harsh lines, even though we are doing a cut crease. I want the parts of the shadows that are supposed to look more natural and flowy to look that way. And then I'm going to go in again and deepen it with BFF, and then pick up Duet. Duet is going to be the part that's going to really bring in that depth and dimension into the look. We're focusing that on the crease area, letting it fall down into the lid, and we are just going to bring this cut crease to life. We do have to go back and forth between BFF and Duet to kind of blend things out a little bit more, because even though we do want to have that defined crease, we still want it to look blended, because it is an eyeshadow look and everything needs to look blended. So we're going back and forth with this until we get the correct depth and dimension that we want. I would say you want to just look very seamless and blended and as perfect as you can possibly make it before you actually go in and cut the crease. Because when we cut the crease, that's kind of, you're there, you have to cut it, you have to work with what you have. So once I am satisfied with the blending that I've done, I'm going to go in and cut my crease, and I'm being very precise with it. I wanted to show you guys, I know it's a longer clip than I typically do if I do a look like this, but I just really wanted to show you guys how precise I am. I take this very tiny angled brush and I just go to town on my lid. I make sure that, you know, everything looks as beautiful and just angled and sharp as it can. Even though we don't want those harsh lines with the cut crease, you want to have it literally just sharp, cut, full, precise. You want everything to look pretty seamless. So that's what I'm doing, just going over it and making sure that it looks as put together as possible. Now to put on my lid, I'm taking what I would call Makeup Forever's response, or no, I think it's actually Cover FX. I'm sorry, Cover FX's response to the Stila liquid glitters. I can't remember their exact name, but these are very similar to them. You're supposed to be able to put it on your face as well and wear it as a highlight. I think that they might just be a little bit too sparkly for me, at least, to wear as a highlight, but on the eyes, on the lids, they are gorgeous. So they're very easy to work with. I did take a smaller brush to really get, you know, along the edges and smooth it out, as you can see, because I wanted to keep that precision there. But I do think they're really easy to work with. I don't know that they have the same staying power as far as like just not giving a lot of fallout and everything as the Stila liquid metals. I think that those just cannot be beat, but I do think that these are a very close response to it. I don't know how they fall in price range, but I'll probably link that down in the description box below. I'll write something about it, but they are just absolutely magnificent.
I see the universe inside of you. Can I make you feel okay? Would you let me take you to a higher place? No, I bet you never know. there's a universe inside of you. Can I? I bet you never even knew that there's a universe inside of you. Can I take your pain and make it go away? Would you let me be your getaway? No, 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 I bet you never knew there's a universe inside of you.
So to contour, I'm using this Wet n Wild contour stick. I really like it. It's my very first time using it in this video, and I was just so impressed with how well it blended out and how natural it looked. I did, of course, go in and warm my face up with my Becca Impanema Sun bronzer, but I just loved the combo. I thought it was just so gorgeous, and it just looked gorgeous. Honestly, I can't think of another word. It just looks amazing. This look turned out so beautifully, and I'm so happy because I had a vision in mind and it was better than I even envisioned. I'm just so glad. So now I'm just finishing up, doing the final touches. My blush, I'm going to sweep the shade BFF under my eye with a big fluffy brush. I decided to try it this way. Typically I try to keep things really close to the lash line, and I am doing it there, but I typically use a smaller brush, and I feel like that just packs on almost too much color and makes it too concentrated. So I decided to take a bigger, fluffier brush because I normally see like Jaclyn Hill or somebody like that doing it, and it did make a world of difference. I also lined my waterline with a similar color to the BFF liner, and I just loved the way that it turned out. And now I'm just lining my lips, and then I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Gen Nude Swank Liquid Lipstick, and that is going to complete the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I absolutely love this look. If you guys end up recreating it, please let me know. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next video. Bye, my loves.